I have the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to remove and possibly even replace or change the bands. So what you want to do is to remove a band, simply press this button here. You can see this button here. So once you press it in, the band should just come off with little effort. Okay, same goes for the band on the other side. Every band has its own button that you need to press, so just put your fingernail in there and then remove the band like that. Now if you want to change to another set of bands, they will also come with a connection like this one that looks exactly like this. Okay, so you can see that part there. And so all you need to do is once again hold the watch itself upside down and then align this in there like that. And all you need to do now is put some pressure on this side. Okay, and you'll just hear it click in place. So let me do that again. So just put some pressure. There you go. It clicks in place. Very simple. On the other side, if you're holding the watch like this, then you have to hold the band like this. Okay, and then once again snaps in place. Simple as that. Okay, thanks for watching and good luck.